Have you been searching for legit proofreading courses? After much research, I have found the best proofreading course out there, and I can't wait to share it with you in this video. As a stay-at-home mom myself, I know the importance of wanting to invest in online courses that are legitimate and going to be worth not only your time, but your money. When looking for ways to make money from home, many bloggers recommend proofreading. But where do you get started? What is the best course to take in order to become an online proofreader and make money? Before I jump in with my review on the online course Proofread Anywhere, I have one question to ask you. Let me know down in the comments below. Are you always finding grammatical errors or typos, whether you're on someone's website or someone's blog or even an actual book? If so, let me know down in the comments. That means that you are ready to become a proofreader. If this is something you can pick up quickly and something that you are always finding, let me know down in the comments. So what is Proofread Anywhere? It's an online proofreading course that teaches students how to become professional proofreaders. The course is broken down to several different modules that teach you for anything from grammar to punctuation to style guides. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside the course. The course goes over everything from the basic definition of proofreading to all the tools that you need to get started. The creator of the course, Caitlin Pyle, took her experience as a corporate proofreader for court reports and inspired her to create Proofread Anywhere in 2014. She wanted to show others how she could take her online proofreading experience in business and turn it into something successful. Caitlin is real and authentic and breaks down exactly for you to see how she made $43,000 in 1 year. No, really, take a look for yourself. Check out her FreshBooks account. Now, one thing about Caitlin is that she does not preach that this course is for everyone and that you're going to start making money overnight. By the way, if anyone is using that sales pitch, it's most likely a scam. If you put in the work to become or make money from proofreading and you make it a priority, you will see results. So is the course Proofread Anywhere for you? Well, that kind of depends on where you are in your proofreading journey. If you're someone who's just beginning and you've never proofread before, the course is great because it starts with the basics and then you can build from there. People looking for a side hustle that they can do in their spare time, they will find the course extremely helpful. Also, people who are looking for a career change, then this course is definitely for you. If you're looking for a course to teach you how to become an expert proofreader and you're willing to put in the time and the effort to complete the modules and the assignments, then this definitely could be a good fit for you. If you're an experienced proofreader and you're looking to take your skills to the next level, this course may also be for you, but some of the material might be redundant. Okay, so the burning question, how much do proofreaders make? Proofreading is typically a freelancer job, so the more you work, the more you get paid. Some sites will tell you what they pay, and other job boards will let you set your own rates. Entry-level proofreaders make about $30,000 per year, while the average for an online proofreader is about $32,000, and more an experienced proofreader can make upwards of $60,000 per year. If you're excited about how much money that you can make as an online proofreader, go ahead and smash that like button, and we're going to dive more into the online course Proofread Anywhere. With my research on the online course Proofread Anywhere, I found that there was a lot of positives and there's a lot of pros. I'm just going to go ahead and list some of them out. It was really easy to follow. The lessons are all self-paced. There's no time limit. So if you're someone who works during the nighttime or on weekends, this course will provide you that flexibility. You'll have lifetime access to it, so the course isn't going to go anywhere. It's not going to expire on you. Another really good benefit is that you get a private Facebook group with all other people who have taken the course, so you have that community and those connections that you can form within that Facebook group. The course has many extras in addition to the lessons, and there is realistic examples and coursework to apply to your actual business. And while I was researching Proofread Anywhere, of course, I came across some cons or some negatives that go along with the course. If you're an experienced proofreader, some of the material may be redundant for you. The cost of the Plus package might be a lot of investment for beginners. It may take a long time to complete the course. It's all up to your timetable, but if you are someone who only has like evenings or weekends, it might take you some time to complete the course, but it definitely could happen. And the last con is that there is no money back guarantee for Proofread Anywhere. Now I'm going to jump over to my computer where I'm going to show you a breakdown of the price of Proofread Anywhere and a sneak peek inside. All right, so I'm over at my computer and I'm at thesavvycouple.com/Proofread Anywhere review, where we go into a full in-depth review on the course itself, and you can get a lot more information that you are looking for the course. So I scroll down to how much does Proofread Anywhere cost. So the regular program is called Ignite, and that will run you $397, and you get all the modules, all the lessons, and everything you need to get started with a successful business. Ignite Plus is $497, and you get everything that was mentioned above, along with a hand-graded exam, a certification of completion, a listing in the self-publishing school, and you also get to be a private member of their mastermind Facebook group. So you definitely need to look over what the two different programs offer and look at your budget and see which is the best value for you. So the moment that you've all been waiting for, here's a sneak peek into the course Proofread Anywhere. So this is with the purchase of Ignite Plus. When you get to the screen, you'll see that you have Ignite Plus and your general proofreading exam. So you'll go ahead and view product and you'll get started. You can hit start course and it'll take you right to the welcome page, and you can start working through the course that way. So I'm just going to give you a little preview here. Here are all the modules with every single lesson in Ignite. So definitely will take you through how to become a proofreader and really establish those skills in order to become successful. And then after you have all of that really down, they help you turning it into a business. So module 9 is really when that shift happens and you can start setting up your website and talk about your rate. A really important thing to go over is taxes, especially when you are starting your own business, finding clients, because obviously you want work. So this course and Proofread Anywhere really give you everything you need in order to be a successful proofreader and get started. And I think that this is a great course for anyone interested and anyone wanting to leave their day job or just having that other source of income. Like I said earlier, as a stay-at-home mom, time and money are very important to me. So this course is definitely worth checking out and purchasing to get started. If you're still on the fence with Proofread Anywhere, then you need to sign up for the free training that they're offering. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You're going to get so much information in about an hour video. You're going to get an introduction to proofreading, 5 signs of readiness to see if proofreading is right for you, how to find clients, and so much more. The skills in the course will allow you to work from home or anywhere, bring in a full-time income on your own terms, and have no shortage of work. The bottom line is that Proofread Anywhere is an excellent course for you to take to increase your proofreading skills to the next level and to earn a good income.